So I just got soaked by this rain while I was getting off my bus. Luckily, I ran to my friend Nicole's house, which is much closer than mine. Hers is like 1 block, mine is like 6. So I'm so glad about that. My book bag and stuff got really bad soaked, and my pants got soaked. If you can tell that. My hair got soaked. Oh my goodness. It just came so fast. Oh my god. That was bad. Because I had my phone, my leather purse, all my school stuff. Man, why did it do that? It looks lighter now, but it was much worse. Because I just came off of this street called Kewanee. And literally it's like 1 block, which is maybe half a mile. Maybe not even half a mile, maybe half of a half a mile. And it just came so hard, and then it stopped. I'm so soaked and cold now. I just wanted to make a daily vlog and just see how this is going. My makeup got smeared and everything. But I'll have to find a way to get 8 blocks down. Well, I guess that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave comments on any kind of dare and something that you would consider doing yourself, but with me and my friend Nicole.